Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the Mpow Selfie Stick and Tripod. Just purchased this from Amazon for £24.99. One of the reasons why I got this is because it's got a height of 57 inch and also it has a Bluetooth wireless remote shutter, which is pretty cool. Right, let's roll and get this started. See what we got here. Selfie stick tripod for cell phone and camera. Model number is PA194A. Max size 3,500 grams. 57 inch in height. A universal phone holder. 2.2 to 3.7 inch. Barcode if you need it. Right. Start. Got your ballpoint there. That's for your phone. This is the Bluetooth wireless remote shutter I was referring to earlier. Nice. Let's see what battery it fills. There you go. So that's the battery. Put that back in there. Okay. Now for the main event itself. Wow. So it's got 4 height adjustments, okay, and as I said, 57 inch is the highest. Let's try this. So let's do this, I think. This opens up. Opens up like that. There. Wow, that is impressive. And then it comes out like that. You can lock it in. As you can see, you can seem to lock it in at any given height. I think I've sussed it out. So basically, you're supposed to screw this, okay? So, screw it out a bit more. Okay. Put that in there, just like that. That's the end goal, okay? So, put that in there. Push it in. Make sure you heard it clip. Nice. There you go. Nice. Make sure you got the right angle. Nice and sturdy. Tighten up. All you do now is bring this, twist it across. In. Just do remember, when you do put this in here, you got this. Use this to tighten it up. So this is a self stick tripod user manual. What it contains: screw ball, flip flops, tripod operation, phone holder assembly, Bluetooth pairing, another thing is when it's on the floor like that, what you need to do is make sure it stays up like that. You got to twist this in, turn it clockwise obviously, and that is steady. As I said, there are clips on here, so if you want to adjust it, do like that, whack it up, do it again, make it as long as you want. The limit is 52 inches, which is pretty good for the price you're getting at £24.99 here in the UK. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe for more videos like these. Bye.